calibrating the machine at this point. You ready?
Yep.
So it's going up and leveling itself up. Okay? So now we're going to just run the program. It's going to calibrate the back page now. We're just running a simple two-step program at this point. So this is the pedal. So it moved back, as you can kind of tell. So now it's in how fast does it run mode. Come up again. They know what they're doing. They know everything's adjustable. You know, you can shorten the height.